Hi, I'm Marna, and I thought I'd do another Oreo review, as if I need more Oreos. I was walking along in Walmart, and we went to buy groceries, and what did they have? 4th of July Oreo cookies, and I thought, oh yes, I must try those. That needs to be a video. So they have this little collect to win on here, collect to win. Let's see if we can take that off. Now it shows using scissors. And I don't see a pull tab on here, so let me get some scissors. All right, let's see what we have here. Collect to win. You could win a trip around the world plus $100,000. Yeah, how likely is that? 2 ways to win. Ooh, I love a scratch off. Wouldn't that be funny? Wouldn't that be funny if I scratched this off and won on camera? Okay, let's do the real thing, and we'll scratch that off in a minute. Found these Oreo cookies. Darren found the tab while I was getting scissors. We're going to tear this open. First of all, I want you to know that 2 cookies are 180 calories. Oh man, that's like 1 candy bar. But here we go. Let's see how pretty they are. This is nice if you're like me and you don't like to cook, but you need to take some to a barbecue for 4th of July. See that shaking? That's my cameraman laughing. They're not as pretty as the picture. That is a very dark blue. Here's the picture.
And that is a lot of frosting.
That is a lot of cake icing in there. But we're gonna try it. Normally, I do not like double stuff, but today we're gonna make the exception because I know you're dying to know. I wasted my money on this. Should you waste your money on this? That's actually not my line. I stole that from another YouTuber. He does reviews. And he said, people come to my channel because I waste money on things, and then I let them know if they should waste their money too. Anyway, let's have a cookie and see. All right, let's twist it open like the traditional Oreo should be eaten. Oh yeah, that's good if you like a very big blast of sugar. It is like regular Oreo stuffing. When I did the World Tour Oreo review, that was more like cake icing. This is like regular Oreo, so cameraman, the hand comes in out of nowhere. Little girls have pretty curls, but I like Oreos. When I was a kid, that was the commercial for Oreos. I would recommend these. I would really recommend them if you don't like to cook, but you need to take something to a 4th of July.
And if you like triple stuffed.
Yeah, it's very, very stuffed. But I have my milk here. I'm going to wash it down. Thanks for watching. If you like any of these dolls here, let us know in the comment. If you eat Oreos, go ahead, leave it in the comments. Like and subscribe.